Hi students, today we are going to discuss about the case study e-commerce company ShopTrend. They will be handling millions of data transactions from various customer interactions. Okay, so we are going to discuss whether Amazon Redshift or Snowflake is choosable for those companies. Let us start our discussion. Saranya, you can start the discussion.
And now I'm going to share about Amazon Redshift and Snowflake. As we know that it is a fully managed petabyte and where a large scale data, and it is a tool of AI, like it is provided by AWS actually, but there is a high performance analytic in this and the columnar storage architecture make it edible for building a customer based systems and recommendation systems. For now I'm going to tell about Snowflake. Like Snowflake is a fully managed cloud, we know that further, and it is a native data that operates the AWS and makes it more easier and to handle a lot of complex data. According to this, I'm going to tell you about a problem statement, like a case study. And the scenario is the short trends analytical transformation, and the actual problem statement is now you have told that there is a large complex data set about the customers. So we're going to build transaction data for monthly, and it will include the customer purchases, website clicks and inventory updates. So the company want to complete the 5 tasks. The first one is to run analytical query, and the second one is to integrate a semi-structured data set, and the third one is it will support a 50 plus analytical data running concurrently, and it enables the real-time data and using the dashboard for businessman, and the fifth one is it need to be a minimized infrastructure storage. So these are the 5 things should be included in that system.
Okay, let me tell the solution with using AWS Redshift and Snowflake. So when it comes to Amazon Redshift, so it can handle around 10 nodes at 10 terabyte of data. And data from the website and app is ingested via AWS Glue and then it is sent to the S3 storage. And Redshift spectrum is used to query the semi-structured JSON format data, and AQAA is enabled to accelerate the complex queries like customer segmentation. So the benefits of Amazon Redshift includes cost-effective, seamless integration with AWS services and high performance. So let me tell the solution with Snowflake. When it comes to Snowflake, it can handle to compute separate data and storage. And data is ingested directly to the Snowflake from S3 using the Snowflake. And semi-structured JSON logs are stored natively in Snowflake and queried using SQL without the transformation. So here, when it comes to benefit, the same benefits of Amazon Redshift will apply here, like cost-effective, seamless integration, and high performance.
So let us compare both now. So performance-wise, Redshift delivers high performance for structured data queries such as sales and inventory reports. Now for semi-structured data, it actually supports semi-structured data in Amazon S3, but performance is slower than the native tables. And concurrency scaling handles 50 plus analytics. Now in Snowflake, it handles both excellently, structured and semi-structured data natively, and it provides faster insights. Automatic scaling ensured consistent performance for concurrent queries without manual intervention. Slightly better query performance is there compared to Redshift in Snowflake. Now, based on cost, Redshift is cost effective for prediction, and it is steady workloads due to fixed node pricing, and additional cost for spectrum queries and concurrency scaling during spikes. Lower storage cost because it is integrated with S3. But in Snowflake, it's flexible pay per second. Computing price is ideal for variable workloads. Storage costs are predictable but separate from compute. So cost savings with zero copying cloning. So that is about the copy.
Students, so far we have discussed about the problem statement of the ShopTrend company, and also Monisha discussed about the what are the solutions with the Amazon Redshift and Snowflake, and Sanmugha Priya she told about the comparison of both the data warehouses. Okay, next you can proceed further.
So let me share about that EC2 how the Redshift and Snowflake are. So requires some manual configuration like clustering, workloads or management, and a familiar team already using AWS service. So listing invitation, a semiconductor structure in data workflows. So let's compare to Snowflake. It's a minimizing data overdue to the fully automated and scaling optimization using friendly for drives data and across cloud environments. So slightly stepper learns curve on non-SQL user due to unique features like time travel. So let's talk about the scalability and integrity also. So first of all, Redshift. So scalable by adding nodes, residue clustering, which requires planning and downtime unless using elastical drives. So compared to Snowflake, it's scalable compute storage independently with no downtime, idea or dynamic workloads. In scalability, Redshift concurrently scaling provides temporary reflex spikes and adds cost. In Snowflake, multi-clustering warehouse automatically is handling their concurrent users. So let's next integrity. So in Redshift.
So let me tell about the real world examples. So when it comes to the Redshift examples, it reads the customer's history and it stores the data in the Amazon S3. So whenever the new customers are come, it can handle efficiently. And when it comes to Snowflake, it can handle ability to semi-structure data, ease of management and future proofing. So these are the reasons why the companies are choosing the Snowflake. So hope we got the decision like that. The top 10 chooses the Snowflake finally. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.